If you're looking for a way to connect your email sequence, email course to your email sending software, then in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. So in this example, we're creating a landing page with card.co. So this is where your download email sequence is going to live on, about $20 USD per year. It's pretty easy to make a landing page. In this example, so you click up here, create a new site. And in this example, I have one already. And quick note, a copywriting mentor told me to not have these two columns. A little confusing, a little clunky, too much going on. So recently I've been having just one column. But most importantly, for what we're doing here, you're going to need these form IDs here, these forms boxes, and in here, you're going to need this form ID and API key from your sending software. So my sending software is ConvertKit, or Kit now. Kit is about $15 USD per year. And once you're in here, you want to click Grow, Landing Pages and Forms. And once you're in here, you want to create New. And you want to click Form. And then click Modal out of all these options here. And out of all these options here, go ahead and just click Charlotte. Cool. So right now we've created a form where ConvertKit or Kit is going to be retrieving and getting this database of emails from your landing page. So maybe just a little technical, but no one's going to see this form anywhere. Just ConvertKit needs this to store the emails from your landing page, to grab those emails from your landing page. And this is where you're going to be getting your form ID, which is in the URL box up here, these numbers right here, and be connecting it and pasting that into your landing page form box. Let's go ahead and name our form. All right, cool. So once we've named it, now you can see in your forms and landing pages, this specific one. So if you're creating multiple ones, you'll know exactly what you're doing here whenever you have to go back to it. And in here, once we've created this, you want to go to settings, incentive. And this is when someone signs up and gives them your email in your landing page. You can click send incentive email or not. Before, I did not have this checked marked, and this is up to you. I've recently turned this back on. I've turned this on. I did not have this before. If you want to make it straightforward, just leave it unchecked. So uncheck it, click save, and then you want to make sure you hit publish here. Cool, so it's live. And then you want to click here, get this form ID, and then go to your landing page, paste it in here, and then go to your other box that you have anywhere that you've created it. Paste it in there. Right now, you're going to need your API key, and what you want to do for that is to go to the top right hand corner, click settings, and it's going to be in this developer section here. So I'm not going to show you my API key, but once you click developer, you're going to be able to paste that into your landing page. You'll see it right away once you click developer. Go ahead and click your landing page, API key, paste it in here, right? Let's say this is your API key. Oop. And now click done, go down here, do the same thing here, right? Cool. So now we have our landing page and it's connected to our form. So whenever somebody types in their email, ConvertKit will grab that email. And then now it's time to make sure we're connecting our email course that we've created. So you've created 5 days of content, of text, of information, and you want to make sure that this page and your form is now going to be sending your email course. So I've created something for you. Let's see here. Oh, great. I actually need to find it. Actually, let me go ahead and go here. I sent an email a little while ago. Cool. So if you would have been on my email list, you would have gotten this a while back ago. But I'm going to be pasting this into the bottom in the description of this email. You're going to want to use this automation. So this automation is what, again, is going to be sending your 5 days of sequence to your subscriber. Use this automation. Now this is a template here, and this is the actual automation. Hopefully this is pretty simple for you here, but what you want to do is click here, and then you want to add your form to your recently created email sequence. I've done this a few times, as you see. I don't even know. All right, so cool. You now selected your form that you want to create. Add event. Now this is the one we created earlier, right? You named it, whatever you named it. What you want to do is delete what you have here. When it does that, oh great. Let's do this again. Just join this. Okay, we have all kinds of stuff going on here. Yay. All right. Okay, there we go. You're going to want to delete these one that came with the template that I gave you. Same thing with this one. Looks like I had, the other one was buggy. So cool. Now you have the form that we created earlier. And now this is where you're going to be having your 5 days of emails, right? And a big step here, you want to make sure that this is active. Maybe you can do it after you've finished setting everything up, but I'm just going to show you here. Now it's active. This is live. Let's go and click on this, and cool. All right. So now you have 5 days of sequence here. So day 1, this is your subject line. Super fast and super easy. So cool. You paste in your email course in here, And whenever you are done with each one, you want to make sure you hit publish. And now this is published. You want to go through each day doing the same thing, right? So make sure you're changing your subject line and pasting in your content here, hitting publish, and making sure that your email course is active, right? So cool. Now we have all of that. And we want to go back into your page. And you want to make sure you have your API key form ID. And click here as well. You want to make sure that this is published, right? And there you go. That should be, actually, let me check my notes real quick. Yeah, that's all you need. So let's recap what we have so far. So you have created a landing page. Card is super easy, $20 a year. You create your landing page. You create these forms here. And in this form, you need to connect your email sending software with your landing page. And you do that with your API key, which is yours. You like, it's not going to change. So your form ID is for every new email course that you create. That's where it's going to grab those emails and do the whole back end thing with ConvertKit, right? And from there, we've created the landing pages in forms, which is where we get the whole form ID and all that. And I've created so many that it's crazy. I need to delete some of these. So we've created it using Charlotte modal landing page, landing form, and settings, incentive, and form ID, pasting it in, and then from there we have now created and then from there we went ahead and pasted everything into our email sequence, right? So yeah, there you have it. Then you're gonna be on your way to making millions of bucks. Hopefully this was useful to you. A little technical. If you have any questions, just reach out to me on LinkedIn. I respond to pretty much everyone. Even though I'm super busy, I respond to everyone. So much love and have a blessed Sunday. Happy Easter, my friends.